Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the theme of your website on Wix. So firstly, open your browser and go to your website dashboard. Then just simply click on the pencil icon or click on the three dots icon over here and choose edit site. Now just simply wait for the site to load. Now after the loading is complete, all you have to do is just simply click on the site design icon over here. Just simply click on it. Then over here you will find an option called color and text theme. So just simply click on customize, and over here you will find multiple options which you can use to change the theme of your color and your website. So for example, if I choose this one, so as you can see over here, the theme of the colors has changed on my website. You can pick any of the presets given to you over here, just like that. So that's how you can change the color and text theme of your website. Now in order to save the changes, all you have to do is just simply click on save, and then just simply click on preview to preview your site. So that's how you can change the color theme of your website. Now if you're looking to change the entire template of your website, for doing that what you have to do is just simply again go back to your Wix site over here. In order for you to actually change the entire template, what you have to do is just simply create a new site, because you cannot change the template of your existing website over here. In order for you to use a new template, you have to create a new site. So you can either duplicate this site to just simply keep it safe, and then you can transfer all the data into the new site. So for choosing the new template, what you can do is just simply go to the dashboard first of your current website. Then in the dashboard, just simply search over here for templates. Then just simply click on website templates over here. Just simply click on open a new tab. Now over here you can find all the templates that you can use, and they are all free. So just simply choose a template of your liking. Now in order for you to actually use the template, all you have to do is just simply hover over a template and click on edit. So after the loading is complete, you will find a new template of a website, and then you can just simply edit the template of that particular website. And then after making all the changes, all you have to do is just simply click on save, then enter your site name. If you have a domain, you can also connect your domain over here, but I don't have one, so I will go with save and continue. And then after that, just simply hit publish. And now you can just simply hover over your publish icon, then click on view site. So now you have a new website with a new theme. That's the only way how you can change the theme in Wix. So now if you go back to your home page, then just simply go to my site over here. You will find that a brand new website has been created. So as you can see over here, it has not changed anything in your previous website, but it has created an entirely brand new website. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.